Everyone, today I would like to talk about regenerative agriculture and what it means to think like a permaculture designer. Because these two ideas are not just farming methods, they are mindsets. They are lenses that change how you see land, people, and future. Regenerative agriculture simply asks one question, just one question. How can we farm in a way that heals the land instead of harming it? Permaculture asks another question. How can we design our farms, homes, and communities to work with nature instead of against it? When you combine them, something, just something powerful happens. You stop forcing nature to cooperate and you start partnering with it. Instead of fighting weeds, you study what they are telling you about your soil. Instead of complaining about pests, you design systems that attract predators and balance the ecosystem. Instead of wasting water, you harvest it, store it, and let the land use it wisely. A regenerative farmer doesn't ask, how much can I take? They ask, how much life can this land hold if I take care of it? A permaculture designer fit, doesn't first look for seeds, they look for patterns. Where does the sun rise? How much does the water flow? Which areas are dry and which stay most moist? What is already growing naturally without help? Because nature already has a blueprint. Our job is to read it. And here is the beautiful part. Regeneration is not complicated. It starts small with simple action and grows big with consistent care. A tree planted in the right place, a soil dug at the right angle, mulch spread at the right time, crop diversity planted in the right season. These, these small steps create a ripple that affects the entire landscape. So today, I want you to understand this. You don't need a big farm to start regenerating the earth. You just need awareness. You just need to observe. You just need to start. Thank you.